guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vipashna, the Style Chic, and I am back with another video. So recently I did a poll on my Instagram regarding which video should I film next, and so here's that poll. You can clearly see the result. The haul video wins. Also, I didn't wanted to do a haul video because my previous video was also about a Ajio haul, but recently I shopped some joggers and I was so excited to share with you guys because I really get this question that from where do I shop my joggers. So yes, I really wanted to tell you guys about this, and so I didn't wanted to do skincare because I am currently having a lot of breakouts, and those breakouts are leaving the scars on my skin. You clearly can't see right now because I have applied makeup, so that's why I didn't wanted to do a skincare. I will definitely gonna do a skincare when my skin will be better, and yes, I guess it will take some time to get better. So yes, definitely a skincare video super soon. Before that, I really wanted to share this with you guys that from where do I shop my joggers, and also all the joggers are under budget, and I also picked up a t-shirt from Ajio for those joggers. Like, you will get to know in the video, so I guess we should not waste more time over here. You know the drill. So please like, share and subscribe. After watching the video, comment which was your favorite outfit, matlab which was your favorite jogger set that you liked. So I guess we should now, let's just jump into the video. Okay, so the first jogger is this, and it's in a pastel blue color. I really love this one, and yes, I never had this color, nor I have ever wore such colors in a jogger. So it's my first time I went with such colors. It's such a nice pastel blue, and it's of rayon, I guess, and it fits me so well. I will going to show you in a clip that how does it look on me with the t-shirt. And the t-shirt I chose to pair with this jogger is, yeah, this is the t-shirt. Okay, so the t-shirt that I picked up for pairing with this pastel blue jogger is this. It's a plain white basic tee, but it has got a caption type of thing and a few colors over here. I really love this, and I guess my jogger matches to this color. It has all the colors in it. Sorry for the disturbance, but continuing to the video. Yeah, so I picked up this t-shirt as I already told. Now let me just gonna try them and show you guys how they looked on me. Okay, moving on to the next jogger that I have, is this pink color. I really love this popping pink color, but guys, you know what? Pehle I picked this t-shirt for this joggers because this was going so well, but I didn't know that it's woolen. It is woolen because I just can't wear this in summer. It's very mota from inside, and it has got that woolen cloth that we get in the woolen track pants. So yes, I thought it's for summer, so I ordered it, but never mind, winters are on the way, so I will gonna wear this in winters. It was of 530 or 20. I will mention the price, and also all the links are in the description. You guys can just go and check it out. Okay, moving on to the next jogger is in a very nice peach color, and this is इस गर्मियों के लिए है, और here is a game written over here. and I really like it. This was super sasta, and this was super cheap. It was of 320, and इसका भी link description में, सबके link description में. Definitely you should check it out. And yes, I really love this one. I chose this t-shirt. It's also a basic plain white t-shirt with some colorful stripes over here. पहले I thought मैं इसको common t-shirt रखूंगी, but for that pink वाला jogger and this peach one, but वो woolen है, so yeah, that is for winters. And this is just wow, I really love this color. Also I have always wore gray, black joggers only. इसके अलावा I haven't wore, and I guess if you guys are looking for joggers for daily wear, I guess you should definitely go for cheap joggers, because I myself feel that. So घर के लिए I always go for cheaper joggers. So this was my third jogger, and this is how it looks. This is the last jogger I bought, and I've already wore it, and I even have a picture of this jogger. This is how it looked. I'm not going to wear it again. I'm keeping a picture over somewhere on the screen. You can look at how it looked. It's a simple basic gray color with a side strips over it, and I really love this one. And it was of around 400 or something. Then this I picked this top for this jogger, and it looks nice, and it says I'm so happy. So such a positive vibe coming from this set that I got. And yes, I guess if you are looking for comfortable joggers, you should definitely check out Ajio. And they are super cheap. All the joggers were from Team Spirit. Ajio pe there is a brand, and except one, I guess. Yeah, this one was not from, this pastel blue one was not from Team Spirit. It was from Fig or something. I don't know, it's FIG. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I guess it's Fig. So this was not from Team Spirit. And yes, so this t-shirt was of 150. All the t-shirts that I have showed you were of 150, and all the links are in the description. You guys can check it out. So that was it for my video. I guess now you guys know from where do I shop my joggers. So that's it for this video, and I guess you guys like it. Comment and tell me which was your favorite set, like, and I guess top and bottom both were under 700, because itna zyada expensive nahi tha. I guess according to me it was not. Rather than going for some branded joggers, I don't find it good for wearing it at home and sitting at home. So yes, that's it. If you liked it, thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel for such more videos, and comment which was your favorite. I will be back with another video on Monday. From now on, I already said कि मैं Monday को post करूँगी, but I just don't know when will I be back on that track. From now I will be, and I'll be back with another video super soon. Follow me on Instagram if you are not doing. Link is in the description box of my Instagram handle, or else you guys can search it, The Style Chic